slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness.
You need a schedule, that's it. We'll get to the point where we're already in this rush. Next objective, it's our final journey. Here, the world is at your feet. This review sector has a scattered structure. This time, let's move forward with time. So you say, then I won't throw it. What? You see, I'm somehow getting caught again. What you saw here is that I'm a mess, darling, a real disaster, and I don't know who your savior is. Calm down, Nekastra. Exit to the helicopter. Anyway, the backup dancers are using their own phones. I think I'm actually going to head upstairs to bed right now. Everywhere here, beautiful marbling, cold inside, very delicious. It's done, the pork is ready. It's hard to head there, isn't it? Of course, I want to show your troubles according to their measure and when you fight within them. Very sweet. I'm gonna take the Mid-Dick City. If you liked my video, don't forget to like and leave a comment. Thank you for watching. It's really good.